Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. So at bootuppd.org, we have some lesson plans and some project walkthroughs that show you how to create an interactive store display. So when I press the green flag, I can click
wigs, 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 and socks.
And you can interact with different things like, oh, was there a wig?
Cool, ghost hair.
Okay, so you can click on different stuff and it makes it so that you can
Ew, I think these are used.
interact with this particular store display. Oh, there's a dinosaur driving by. You know, it's normal. All right, so let's take a look at another project that is very similar, and it is called Lesson 12 Interactive Store Display, and this is by BCN23. Okay, so this particular project, when you press the green flag, we can click.
Puppies for sale and kittens. Woo whoop. Buy one puppy, get one kitten free.
Nice. Then you click. Uh-oh, that dog changed colors. That's pretty cool. I bet that's an expensive dog. Okay, bye, cat. All right, so what's really neat about this is you can actually go to a different store. So when you click the arrow, you can go somewhere else, like
Shoes, 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 and socks. Buy one shoe, get one sock free.
but there's a pencil here. Why is there a pencil?
We're all out of socks, but we have pencils.
Oh, that's good. I really needed a pencil, not socks. So that worked out well. All right, so that was a pretty neat idea. If you have your own interactive store display, make sure you comment below so we can take a look at it, and maybe we'll share it in an upcoming video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.